Who knows how to pronounce? Do you know, Grandma Poss, how to pronounce this sound? Would you like to give it a try? No. Oh, don't worry. CH is a consonant digraph, and it's where two consonants are put together to make the one sound. When you have the k and h sounds, it's not those sounds when they are together. It's ch. So, would you like to sit on the side and I can show you all and you some examples, okay? So, look at my mouth when I make the ch sound. What you have to do is drop your jaw forward and put your tongue onto the roof of your mouth. And you need to force wind behind your tongue and then push it forward. Ch, 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 ch. Look at my chin. Ch, ch. Here, let's look at some examples with ch at the beginning of the word. Ch in chin. Ch at chat. Ch ek check. Ch ip chip. Ch est chest. And ch op chop. Let's look at some words with the final ending sound of ch. Lunch, lunch. Catch, catch. Match, match. And bench, bench. Beach, beach. And switch, switch. So now let's look at a sentence with the ch sound in the sentence. Here's a tongue twister for you to practice with. If Charlie chews shoes, should Charlie choose the shoes he chews? That's it for today. So till next time, I'll see you later.